Zlinker. Devereaux invented this unique technology, and most large volume producers are now using our motorized Zlinkers. We've built on this success, and now Devereaux is proud to introduce the hand-cranked Zlinker, designed specifically for the smaller volume sausage maker. Your hand-cranked Zlinker will arrive from your Devereaux distributor assembled and ready to use. Simply remove the cover guard, quickly sanitize it, hose it off, and spray USDA-approved lubricant or mineral oil on the bearings, springs, and blades. Replace the cover, turn the crank a few times, and you're ready to make links. The hand-cranked Zlinker is made of sturdy stainless steel. Yet it is small and lightweight, only 2 feet by 2 feet in size and less than 20 pounds in weight. It is very portable, so it can easily be stored when not in use. When ready to make sausage links, place the hand-cranked Zlinker on a flat, sanitized surface close to the stuffer. Place a tray or conveyor between the legs of the linker to catch the individual links. Stuff out a strand into a neat coil close to the foot of the linker. Then feed the end of the rope of sausage into the linker while slowly cranking the handle until the linking head grabs the sausage and begins to pull it through. Now continue to crank in even rotations with one hand and aid the coil of sausage through the feed rollers with the other hand. In just 25 seconds, you have produced over 100 consistently formed links that will fit nicely into a standard 2S tray. A package of sausage that is appealing to your customers. In looking more closely, you'll see Devereaux's innovative technology at work. Each link is carefully formed and then finally cut just before dropping onto your tray. The self-sharpening blades ensure that each end is evenly cut and each link is the same length. The Devereaux hand-cranked Zlinker will cut links evenly from the smallest breakfast size up to a large 34mm dinner sausage without any adjustments. You may be able to link larger sizes, but we recommend not stuffing too big, or it won't fit in a tray and may be too big for your customers. Devereaux's hand-cranked Zlinker has some unique options. Not only will this machine cut the standard 4-inch link, but also can cut a barbecue or griller link, which is 5 1/4 inches long. To make the change, simply remove the cover guards and loosen each linking head with the 5/16 nut driver supplied in the parts kit. Then slide each head up, allowing room to remove the small set of cams. Slide off the small set and slide on the large set. Then readjust the linking heads and replace the guards. A 10-minute procedure clearly outlined in the operator's manual, and you'll be able to make a new line of sausage packs. Bun-length grillers, great for the barbecue. This 5 1/4 inch length will also fit nicely in your standard 2S trays for appealing package presentation. Not only will the Devereaux hand-cranked Zlinker make 2 different sized links, but it is also flexible to link from either direction, depending on your sausage kitchen layout. Again, refer to your manual. Simply swap the guide roll bracket to the other side of the cover and reverse the direction of the cams, and your linker will crank to make links from the opposite direction. The Devereaux hand-cranked Zlinker is a versatile linking machine. Virtually anyone can make consistently high-quality links with our system. Hand linking takes 6 to 8 times longer than using the hand-cranked Zlinker. That is valuable time wasted that you could use merchandising your product and servicing your customers. Your local Devereaux distributor can provide store-level training on any aspect of your sausage operation. The Devereaux hand-cranked Zlinker, your key to greater sausage profits. Simple in design for easy operation and cleaning. Yet it is unique in the way it forms and cuts each link. Maintenance requires only a few simple steps. When setting up the hand-cranked Zlinker after delivery, sanitize and lubricate the machine. The Lexan cover guards are the only pieces to remove for sanitation. Do not tear down any other portions of the machine. USDA-approved lubricant or mineral oil should be applied to the bearing joints and exposed tension springs. Linking head adjustment is critical to proper cutting action, so always refer to the owner's manual when training operators. To adjust each linking head, first loosen the camshaft lock bolt on the back stem of the machine. Then rotate the cams until the keyway is at the 12 o'clock position. This is the high point of the cam. Retighten the lock bolt. The linking heads can now be adjusted by moving the head up or down in the slotted disc with the nylon rollers positioned on the high point of the cam. Push down on the top of the blade until there is a 1/4 inch overlap of the cutting insert. Measure from the point of closure at the insert and then an extra 1/4 inch. It is critical that there is free play left in the linking head. If you cannot lift the rollers off the cam at the high point of the cam, then you have over-adjusted the linking head or bottomed them out. Repeat this final adjustment with each linking head. Next, the cams must be adjusted back for proper timing of the cutting action. Again, loosen the camshaft lock bolt and rotate the keyway to the 7 o'clock position. Then retighten and check the cutting action by linking a strand of sausage. When converting from the small 4-inch cam to the large 5 1/4 inch or back again, remember to always have the L stamped on the cams facing out towards you. Another feature of the Devro hand-crank Zlinker is that it can be converted to feed from the left and be cranked with the right hand. This allows flexibility if the sausage kitchen is laid out differently. Remember to not only change the guide roll bracket, but also flip the cams to face the L away from you. Then, always make sure the heads are properly adjusted and the cams are now rotated to the 5 o'clock position for correct timing. There are some key points to remember to ensure the best performance of the hand-crank Zlinker. 1. Always place the coil as close to the infeed as possible to reduce drag. A free hand often helps in guiding the strand. 2. Use steady, even rotations of the handle to ensure smooth cutting action and good link end closure. 3. Remove links from beneath the linker to prevent pileup and smashing of the links. Each strand should be stuffed, flipped, and linked individually to produce the best package appearance. And 4, as always, proper sanitation of all working surfaces is critical to maximize shelf life and avoid contamination.